Not sure. I think the first thing you got to do is smell it. Oh no, she's eating it right away. She broke it. Oh, yes. Oh my God. She just had a food orgasm. Oh my God. Oh my God. Aloy. Aloy mak 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 mak. Chai. Best thing you've ever tasted. Mmm. You want to see a food orgasm? Have a Thai girl eat durian fruit. Is it stinky? Does it smell?
Good.
Smell good. Okay. Yeah, that looks like the ripe one. It's pretty soft, right? Yeah, so that's very ripe. Because the ones that aren't ripe yet are just kind of bland. This one has a lot of flavor, sweet, mildly sweet, but sweet.
But not so sweet.
Not what?
Not sweet.
No, just for you, baby. I don't have an orgasm when I eat durian. It's okay, but it doesn't do for me what it does for you. Mmm. Chai. Yum, 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 yum. That's the face of a happy girl. Yeah, chai. Durian season just started. It just came out. We got a nice big fat piece that she's working on right now, plus a skinny piece. And she's in friggin' durian heaven. Durian is literally like crack for Thai people.